Hello everybody, my name is BDF18 and welcome to a brand new LEGO Technic build. Today product 42199, Technic's Monster Jam DIGatron pullback from January 2025. Finally, after no sets for Monster Jam in 2024, it is back in 2025 with a bang. Two lovely sets, and here is the first. I have missed Monster Jam, I really have. Since Mutt Dalmatian and Dragon came out a couple of years ago, I've been yearning for a new Monster Jam build. I was really upset that there wasn't any last year, but I'm glad it is today. The only thing is, there's no 2-in-1 anymore, which is a real shame. I really miss Technic's 2-in-1s. They really made the set stand out and worth the money even more. Regardless, here is today's set coming in at 218 pieces across 90 steps. So divide that as an average of 2.4 pieces per section for the DIGatron. I bought this set for £23, sealed, brand new and unopened from Smith's Toy Superstores on the second or third day of release. It looks quite nice. Looking around the box, you can see the DIGatron pulling a wheelie in the Monster Jam arena. You can see the crowd here. Monster Jam DIGatron JCB is a JCB set, obviously. Pullback 7+, 218 pieces, LEGO Technic, everything you'd expect. On the top, an image of the vehicle with a 1:1 of the tire and wheel. On the right hand side, the pullback feature. On the left hand side, stats in different languages. On the underneath, legal stuff. And on the back, we have a rear image of the DIGatron, a real image, and some stats. And the stats read as followed: 1500 brake horsepower with a supercharged V8. Tires are 168 centimeters tall, and this car weighs 5,443 kilograms, and that is 12,000 pounds. A 12,000 pound car bought for only 23 pounds. Let's open the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build. So here then is everything for LEGO product 42199, Technic's Monster Jam DIGatron pullback, including probably the best thing I've seen all year, unnumbered bags, and there's 3 of them. 4 tires, our pullback feature, a sticker sheet with 5 numbered stickers, and our instruction sheet. Easy full and complete build for LEGO product 42199, Technic's Monster Jam DIGatron pullback, and I really like this. It's a brilliant hark back to the older Monster Jam set. It's a brilliant size, the same size as Gravedigger, as Dragon, as Monster. About 35 minutes to build this set, and it turned out very nicely. Pullback works absolutely perfectly, as you'd expect. I'm a fan of the claws, so that's very nice. I'm a fan of the little movable shovel piece at the back, very nice indeed. Some nice little touches to what is otherwise a very great set. No difficult build in the slightest. Across the whole bag, I've accumulated 9 spare pieces. 209 of the 218 allotted pieces are on the DIGatron. You may use the other 9 pieces to customize your Monster Jam 2025 pullback machine as you wish. That'll do it for today's build. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section down below. As always, if you like and subscribe if you're new, would you buy or build DIGatron? Have you already had it? I know the video's out obviously a few months after these sets released. I've had such a big back catalog to get through, but I'm glad to finally be getting to these sets. They're lovely builds. They genuinely are so pretty, so easy, and I'm glad there were no numbered bags. W's all around. So with that said, I've been BDF18. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.